In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Mailchimp with Framer. By the end, you'll have a working email sign-up form on your Framer site that's ready to collect subscribers through Mailchimp without writing any code. Start by opening Framer and loading the portfolio project where you want the sign-up form to live. It can be any page or section, a hero, a footer, or a dedicated newsletter block. Give yourself a little room on the canvas so you can see where the form will sit in your layout. Next, open the Insert menu in Framer. This is your library of ready-made components. If you're new to Framer, think of Insert as the fastest way to add functional pieces, like forms, buttons, and embeds, without rebuilding them from scratch. Inside the Insert menu, navigate to the Forms category. This filters the components down to items designed for collecting user input. You'll see options for general forms and third-party services. Choose the Mailchimp option. This component is already structured as a newsletter sign-up with an email field and a submit button, and is set up to hand off submissions to Mailchimp. It's a smart starting point because it handles the plumbing for you and keeps the markup clean. Drag the Mailchimp component onto your design and place it where you want it. Align it with your grid or container so it snaps neatly into your layout. You can resize it to fit a single column or stretch it full width, and you can tweak the styling in the right-hand properties panel. Edit the placeholder text, adjust spacing, and match the button and typography to your brand. A quick tip: add a short line of microcopy under the field, like a privacy note, to help build trust and improve conversions. When you're happy with the placement and look, click the preview icon in Framer. This opens an interactive view so you can confirm the form feels right on the page, check hover and focus states, and see how it behaves on different screen sizes. Use this moment to fine-tune spacing and readability. Small adjustments here often make a big difference. Finally, click Publish. Framer will build and deploy your changes to your project's live URL. Once it's live, open the Publish page to confirm the form appears as expected and that your design updates carried through. You can share this link immediately, and you'll be able to refine copy and styling later without changing the integration. That's all it takes. Open your project, insert a form, choose Mailchimp, place it, preview, and publish. You now have a Mailchimp-powered sign-up form seamlessly integrated into your Framer site.